Have you ever questioned your willpower when it comes to achieving your goals? The power of will is a mighty tool, shaping the trajectory of our lives, both personally and professionally. It's the driving force behind every triumph, every milestone reached. Today, we plunge into a riveting discourse on strengthening this vital resource. We'll explore exercises and techniques designed to enhance your willpower, transforming it into your most reliable ally. If you're ready to boost your willpower and start achieving your goals, stay tuned. First on the list, set realistic goals. Now, this is a crucial step in strengthening your willpower and achieving what you aim for. It's all about finding the perfect balance. Your goals should be challenging enough to push your boundaries, to make you step out of your comfort zone. Yet they must remain achievable. So, how do we strike this balance? Well, it's all about knowing yourself, understanding your capabilities and limitations. Aim for the stars, but keep your feet firmly planted on the ground. Aiming too high, setting goals that are far beyond your reach, can cause a significant drop in your motivation. It's like climbing a mountain that never seems to end, leaving you feeling defeated, frustrated, and even questioning your abilities. On the other hand, setting goals that are too easy can lead to complacency. You won't feel the thrill of accomplishment, the satisfaction of overcoming a challenge. Remember, the goal is to grow, to improve, and for that you need a challenge. So start with small, achievable goals. Once you conquer them, set the bar a bit higher. This way, you'll gradually improve your skills. Your confidence will grow, and you'll find it easier to tackle bigger challenges. In essence, realistic goals are those that push you, yet are within your grasp. They inspire and motivate you, rather than leaving you feeling overwhelmed. Remember, the key is to challenge yourself, but not to the point of frustration or defeat. Next, focus on the positive. This is a crucial aspect in strengthening your willpower. It's all too easy to get bogged down by setbacks or obstacles. But remember, every journey worth taking has its fair share of bumps. Instead of dwelling on those hurdles, try to shift your perspective. Celebrate your progress, no matter how small it may seem. Did you stick to your diet today? Did you spend an extra 15 minutes on your project? These are wins, my friend. You're moving forward, and that's what counts. Focusing on the positive outcomes of your efforts not only boosts your mood, but also fuels your motivation. It's like a self-fulfilling prophecy. The more you acknowledge your achievements, the more driven you become to reach your goals. This positive focus acts as a powerful catalyst, propelling you towards your aspirations with renewed energy and determination. So always remember to celebrate your small victories. Thirdly, take care of yourself. There's an undeniable link between our physical well-being and our mental strength. A healthy body can greatly enhance our willpower, making it easier to reach for those challenging goals. Regular exercise isn't just about keeping your body fit and toned. It's also about releasing endorphins, those feel-good chemicals that boost your mood and motivation. Try incorporating a mix of cardio, strength training, and flexibility exercises into your routine. You might find that a morning jog or an evening yoga session can do wonders for your determination. A healthy diet is another essential ingredient in the recipe to robust willpower. Nourish your body with a balanced mix of proteins, carbohydrates, and healthy fats. Include plenty of fresh fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. Remember to stay hydrated too, because even slight dehydration can affect your mood and energy levels. Sleep should never be overlooked. It's during those restful hours that our bodies recharge and our brains process the day's experiences. Getting adequate sleep can help you wake up feeling refreshed, focused, and ready to tackle your goals. Lastly, don't forget to relax. Life isn't all about chasing goals. Sometimes it's about pausing, breathing deeply, and appreciating the moment. Find relaxing activities that you enjoy, whether that's reading a good book, painting, or simply watching the clouds roll by. Remember, a healthy body and mind are the foundation of strong willpower. Moving on, develop self-discipline. This is one of the most crucial elements in strengthening your willpower. You see, self-discipline is like a muscle. The more you exercise it, the stronger it becomes. So how do we build this muscle? The first step is to practice self-control. Now, this doesn't mean depriving yourself of the things you enjoy. It's about making conscious choices, being in control of your actions rather than being controlled by them. For instance, if you're trying to eat healthier, it's about choosing to reach for an apple instead of that tempting chocolate bar. It's a small decision, but each time you make it, you're flexing that self-discipline muscle. The second step is to learn to delay gratification. This is a powerful skill to master. It's about resisting the allure of immediate pleasure in favor of long-term gain. Let's say you're working on a project and you're tempted to take a break and watch a movie. Delaying gratification would mean resisting that urge, finishing your work first, and then enjoying your movie guilt-free. These steps may seem simple, but they're not always easy. It takes practice, patience, and perseverance. But as you continue to exercise self-control and delay gratification, you'll find your willpower growing stronger. You'll find it easier to stick to your long-term goals, no matter the temptations that come your way. Remember, self-discipline is the key to maintaining willpower and achieving goals. Next up, visualize success. Picture it, feel it, embrace it. Visualization isn't just some trendy self-help technique. It's a scientifically backed method for strengthening your willpower and propelling you towards your goals. So, how do we do it? Start by closing your eyes and painting a vivid picture in your mind of you achieving your goal. Are you standing on a podium, delivering that perfect presentation? Are you crossing the finish line of your first marathon? Whatever your goal, see it, feel it, experience it in your mind's eye. The magic of visualization lies in its ability to make your brain believe that this future success is real, making your goals seem more achievable. It creates a positive feedback loop that fuels motivation, strengthens willpower, and encourages action. Remember, if you can see it in your mind, you can hold it in your hand. Visualization is the cornerstone of success. Harness its power, and there's no limit to what you can achieve. Lastly, surround yourself with support. This is a crucial element in the quest for strengthening your willpower. You see, we're social creatures by nature. We thrive on interaction, collaboration, and the shared experience of reaching for our goals. So creating a supportive network around you can give you that extra push when your willpower starts to wane. Think about it. When you're surrounded by people who inspire you, who encourage your growth and celebrate your achievements, it instills a sense of motivation. It fuels your will to press on, to keep striving, even when the odds seem stacked against you. Now, how do you build such a network? Start with those closest to you, your family, your friends. Share your goals with them, express your determination and your desire for their support. You'd be surprised at how willing they are to cheer you on. Next, seek out mentors, role models, those who are where you want to be. Their journey can provide valuable insights and guidance. Connect with them, learn from them. Virtual communities, forums, and groups can also be a tremendous source of support and inspiration. Nurture these relationships, engage, interact, show appreciation. Remember, it's a give and take process. As you draw strength from them, be ready to offer your support too. Remember, you're not alone in your journey. Surround yourself with people who lift you up. In conclusion, willpower is a powerful tool in achieving your goals. Today we have traveled through the different ways to strengthen it. We started by setting realistic goals, those that challenge us but remain within our grasp. It's important to remember that setting an impossible goal often leads to a decrease in motivation and a loss of willpower. We then shifted our focus to the positive. We discovered the importance of celebrating our progress and using it as fuel to keep us moving forward. It's about keeping our spirits high and our sights set on the finish line. Next, we delved into the importance of self-care. We understood that our physical and mental health are the cornerstones of our willpower. Regular exercise, a balanced diet, sufficient sleep, and engaging in activities that relax us, they all contribute to a strengthened will. We also explored the concept of self-discipline, learning to resist momentary temptations and sticking to our long-term goals. We uncovered the power of visualization. By picturing ourselves achieving our goals, we can feel the success in our bones propelling us forward. We highlighted the importance of surrounding ourselves with a supportive network. People who inspire us, encourage us, and believe in our ability to achieve our goals. Finally, we emphasized the need for patience. Strengthening your will is a long-term process, requiring time, persistence, and consistency. Remember, strengthening your will is a journey, not a destination. Keep going, keep growing, and you'll reach your goals in no time.